In this video, I want to show you how to install ChatGPT plugin in QGIS. So to do that, open your QGIS and come to plugin. Click on plugin, click manage and install plugins. It will open the plugin canvas. Here under search bar, come and search for ChatGPT. So this is it. Click on it. Let's bring this one up and you can see install plugin. Click on install plugin. So in few seconds it will be installed. So the following Python package are required. So will you like to install them now? Click on yes to install it. It will take some time to get it done. It has been installed successfully. Let's close this page. Now we need to restart QGIS to be able to use the ChatGPT. After restarting, come to plugin and you can see this is ChatGPT, that is QChatGPT. Click on it and it will open the interface. In the subsequent tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use ChatGPT plugin in QGIS. Thank you for watching.